Hello.
What can you say about the Philippines?
Wala.
Why did you say wala? Bakit?
Wala.
Bakit ganun ang nasasabi mo, ma'am?
Bakit ka
You are from?
Philippines.
And you?
And you me.
And you? Why is your birthday?
Donald. Santo ni kasi
You are my...
Ah.
Another, ma'am. Give me a good shot. Smile. When is your birthday?
Today.
Today
Sumampang
is...
ko sa amin.
Today is what? Come on, say it. Why?
Bakit mo tinatanong ng birthday nga?
Because
Because
you want to...
you want to...
I want what?
I want what?
What? What?
Agas nga. Masyado pagpupulungan.
Why? The sky
The sky.
is... You follow me. My... Oh, what's that? Messi?
Yeah.
What's inside?
Buko.
Why are you scared? Because? Why are you scared? Because... Siya pa nga. Siya pa.
Yeah.
Bakit?
Pong Pacquiao. Uy, tama naman rin.
You know, can you gaya-gaya Pacquiao? Pacquiao is...
Pacquiao! Hindi ka marunong doon.
Sample man. Can you give us a sample, please? Please. And another.
Ay, ano ko?
Uppercut.
Uppercut yun.
Can I see a big punch? Uppercut. Another. Give me a good shot. Go! Yeah. Yeah. Ang galing. You're so very good naman. When did you learn that? How is your wife? Do you have a wife? May a husband? Really?
Yeah.
How many?
Hindi ko maalam.
How many?
Ano lang yun?
How many?
Ganyan. 20,000.
20 lang.
Hindi. 3 months lang yun.
Why? Why? You say it in
Eh,
English.
kasi nga.
Why? No, I don't accept kasi nga. You say, why? Because what?
Because addict.
You say it in English now. When I say this,
When I say this,
you say,
you say. Walang say.
I'm happy because...
Tama naman mo. Ito si Kala.
Please don't have the business here. You don't have...
Pinamusada ko. Ay.
You don't have business, you. What are you doing here?
Party time. Party fix.
Daka.